everyone, it's me Hayat. I have built this AI chatbot that is I have designed it for the web scraping, that we can collect the data of different businesses, we can analyze their data, and we can export their data to Excel. Here is a demo. I want to search something like online restaurant in US. When I go to analyze it will analyze and give me the top 10, because I have limited it for the 10. Here you can see that the business name, leadership, contact number, email, location. You can overview it here, and if I want to go their website here, when I click here, it will go to it, land to it website, and I can also export the data to Excel. Here is the export button. When I click the export button, it will export the data. For example, I want to download it on the desktop, so I selected desktop here, and here a new folder. In new folder I want to save the data. For example, I have given the name as US. Select the folder and download it. When I come to the desktop, the US folder, and this is the business data. The data is extracted to enter Excel. And it will show the data as we have mentioned in the code, and the code is here. Here is the code. For this I have used HTML, CSS and APIs, that GROQ APIs for this chatbot.